Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing introduction to trigonometry. So today's section I am going to discuss trigonometric identities. So here three main identities. So first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And second one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these three main identities are there. So we will use this one for next exercise. So today's section I am going to prove these three identities one by one. So first one, proof. So first consider here one right angle triangle. So it is right angle triangle A, B, C. So it is 90 degree and I will consider theta here. Right. So now in a triangle ABC, the angle B is equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. It is a Pythagoras theorem, right? So now the whole equation divided by AC square. So I will divide by AC square for this equation. So this equation will become AC square divided by AC square is equal to AB square divided by AC square plus BC square divided by AC square. So now AC get cancelled. We got 1 is equal to AB square divided by AC square plus BC square divided by AC square. Right? So this one we can write 1 is equal to AB divided by AC whole square plus BC divided by AC whole square. So but consider here sin theta is equal to we know that opposite divided by hypotenuse. So when we consider theta, that time opposite is BC. So BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. And cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So when we consider theta here, that time adjacent is AB. AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. So see here in this equation AB divided by AC means we can write cos theta, and here BC by AC means sin theta. So this equation become 1 is equal to AB by AC is a cos theta whole square plus BC by AC is a sin theta. So sin theta square. So this one we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this implies we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So it is first one. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And similarly, second identity. So here also consider this equation. Which one? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So now the whole equation divided by AB. The whole equation divided by AB square. So this becomes AC square divided by AB square is equal to AB square divided by AB square plus BC square divided by AB square. Right? So here AB get cancelled. So remaining term write down here. AC square divided by AB square. We can write AC divided by AB whole square. Right? AC square divided by AB we can write AC divided by AB whole square. Then equal to, so AB get cancelled. We got 1 plus here BC by AB. So we can write BC divided by AB whole square. Right? But we have here tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So when we consider theta here, so what is the opposite? BC. BC divided by adjacent. So what is the adjacent? AB. AB. And sec theta. Sec theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So when we consider theta here, hypotenuse is AC. AC divided by adjacent is AB. AB. So see here AC by AB. AC by AB means sec theta, and here BC by AB. BC by AB means tan theta. So you substitute these two in equation. So here we got sec theta whole square is equal to plus 1 as it is plus BC by AB. BC by AB means tan theta whole square. So this one we can write sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this implies we can write 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Any doubt? So next, so alternate method, another method is there. So here we have identity. Which one? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The whole equation divided by cos theta. The whole equation divided by cos theta. So divide by cos square theta. The whole equation divided by cos square theta. So now it becomes sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta is equal to 1 divided by cos square theta. Right? So here cos square get cancelled. So here cos square get cancelled. Right? So here we have sin square divided by cos square. Right? We know that sin by cos is equal to tan. So sin square divided by cos square means a tan square theta. So we can write tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 1 by cos is sec. So 1 by cos square is there. Then sec square theta. Sec square theta. So hence proof. Is it clear? So well students, next the third one. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write this one, right? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So this equation divided by BC square on both sides. So here this equation become AC square divided by BC square is equal to AB square divided by BC square plus BC square divided by BC square. Now BC get cancelled. So this one we can write AC divided by BC whole square is equal to AB divided by BC whole square plus 1. But we have here which one? Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent divided by opposite. Right. So when we consider theta here, so what is the adjacent here? AB. So this is equal to AB divided by opposite. Opposite is BC. This cot theta is equal to AB by BC, and cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse divided by opposite. So what is the hypotenuse here? AC. AC divided by opposite. When we consider theta here, so that time opposite is BC. So BC. So cosec theta is equal to AC by BC. Substitute these two values in this equation. So see here AC by BC. AC by BC is a cosec. So write down cosec theta whole square is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC is a cot square. Cot. So write down cot theta whole square plus 1. So this one we can write cosec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. So this one we can write 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Right? So now this one we can solve by alternate method. So another method. So first identity we have which one? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Already we proved this one, right? So now the whole equation divided by sin theta. The whole equation divided by sin square theta. So now this equation becomes sin square theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin square theta. So here sin square get cancelled. So we can write here 1 plus. So we know that cos divided by sin, cos theta divided by sin theta is cot theta, right? So here cos square divided by sin square. So cot square theta. So here cot square theta is equal to 1 by sin. 1 by sin is a cosec. 1 divided by sin is a cosec. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So here 1 by sin square theta. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. So we can write here cosec square theta. So is it clear? So see here we have these three identities. So these three identity we can write another form. So first one sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And next this one we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Right? So this cos comes this side, this become a minus. It is also identity. So next another one cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Right? So next second one, what is the second one? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So this one we can write 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So tan comes this side, this become a minus, right? And another one, tan square theta is equal to, tan square theta is equal to 1 comes this side, this become a minus, sec square theta minus 1, right? So next, third one, 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So this one we can write 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cos square theta, right? And another one, cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1. Is it clear? See here, 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cos square theta. It is right. If you write cos square theta minus cosec square theta, then wrong, right? So 1 is equal to, we can write cosec square theta minus cos square theta, right? So here is a 3 main identity and their sub identities are there. So these 3 identity we will use for the next exercise. So practice well these 3 identity. Is it clear?